not sponsored or anything, but I think they're gonna look pretty cool. Better than the WeatherTech ones, so let's get into that. All right, so first things first, we're gonna wanna take out any existing mats you may have in. Move your seats all the way back, but I gotta take out my back ones too. Okay. Ignore some of the trash here. There we go, one side. And I'll pull it out from the other side. All right, now that the old mats are out, you wanna vacuum. I brought my handheld vacuum here, so now we're gonna just vacuum up all this trash and dirt and dust, and I will see you guys after that is done. Everything is vacuumed. We're gonna install the the rear ones first. I guess it's just one piece. So let's get to doing that. Backs are in, the rear's in. Now we're moving on to two front ones. All right, passenger ones are in. It looks pretty good. Now move on to the drivers. We got the driver's side installed. It's a little tricky process. There's a lot of little pins and stuff you gotta slide into your side here, but then I used some Velcro up there and then one up there. And then I used one on the other passenger side as well. So overall 3 Velcro strips that they sent to you. I went with the black and white diamond stitching just because I think the aesthetic looked pretty cool compared to like if it was all black or like red, like a lot of people do. But it turned out pretty good, I think. Really quick, wasn't too much work, and yeah, it overall changed like the whole interior aesthetic of the car. I recommend everyone do this. I'm not sponsored or anything by Luxus, but their website's pretty easy to use. It's laser fit to any car you pick. So yeah, I think overall it completely changes the entire look. I really recommend it. Go ahead and check them out in the description below and get yourself one of these. I recommend everyone do this. More videos coming soon. Stay tuned and catch you guys later.